Hi all, today we can discuss the C8 paper knowledge and curriculum. Under that we are going to see the Unit 1 epistemological basis of education. In this we are going to study the difference between data and information, information and knowledge, knowledge and wisdom, knowledge and skill, reason and belief, teaching and training. First one, difference between data and information. Data is like a raw material. It consists of numerals, alphabets, and few words. It is meaningless unless it is processed. For example, red V2 431007860. So this is a data. It contains only the numeral, alphabet, and few words. It does not have a meaning, so it is called data. Next one is information. Information is like the finished product, consists of data plus context in an organized, structured, processed and presented manner. It is always meaningful. For example, the light is red now in the T Nagar, Chennai. Here the data is organized, structured, processed and presented in a proper manner. So it gets some meaning. So this is called information. Secondly, difference between information and knowledge. Information is like the finished product, consists of data plus context in an organized, structured, processed and presented manner. It is meaningful. For example, the light is red now in T Nagar, Chennai. So information is the data which is arranged, organized, structured, processed and presented in a proper manner. It gives a meaning. So it is called information. Nextly, knowledge. Knowledge is the fact, idea, information, what we know, understand and learn to do. Knowledge can be theoretical or practical. It may be gained before or after experience. For example, the signal is red. How we know? When we see the signal, we are able to know that is red. So this is called knowledge. Thirdly, difference between knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge is the fact, idea, information, what we know, understand and learn to do. Knowledge can be theoretical or practical. It may be gained before or after experience. Example, the signal is red. How we know the signal is red? By seeing. So this is called knowledge. Nextly, wisdom. Wisdom means knowing when and where we are doing something or speaking. For example, the signal is red now, so I should stop my car now. This is wisdom. Second example, I know this is gun. I know the parts of gun. I know how to use the gun is knowledge. But when and where I am using the gun is wisdom. So we have to understand the wisdom in a deeper sense. Wisdom is enlightenment when knowledge is power. So we have to understand both the knowledge and wisdom in a different manner and a deeper sense. Difference number 4. Difference between knowledge and skill. Knowledge is the fact, idea, information, what we know, understand and learn to do. Knowledge can be theoretical or practical. It may be gained before or after experience. For example, he knows to dance well. He just knows to dance well and he dances well. This is called knowledge. Nextly, skill. Skill is practical knowledge and able to do, excel, well versed in anything like expert or master. For example, he is a dancer. Here, the word dancer denotes the talent of a person. The talent of a person is also called a skill. In the two examples, he knows to dance well is nothing but knowing to dance well and dancing well. In the second example, he is a dancer is nothing but a skill subject. Number 5. Difference between teaching and training. Teaching is mainly theoretical. Teaching is the act of transferring knowledge. Teaching needs plan like curriculum, syllabus, unit plan and lesson plan. It consists of curricular and co-curricular activities. Teaching takes place mainly in schools and arts and science classroom that contains teaching learning materials. Here, teacher teach and evaluate the students, and through teaching, students can gain knowledge, learn, understand, and remember something. Teaching is subjective, contains some aims to be achieved. For example, my teacher taught me about Civil War. Here, the teacher transfers his or her knowledge to the students in which the teacher is well versed by teaching. In teaching, we can have training to the minimum extent. Nextly, training. Training is mainly practical. Training is the act of practicing skill. Training is objective. It aims in reaching the goal. Training includes physical activities than mental activities. Training consists of co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities. Training trains the students by giving drills and practice. Training takes place in professional courses. Here the students gain skill. For example, our sportsman gave us volleyball practice. Here the sports master makes the students to practice the skill volleyball. Any professional course like practicing language skills, teacher training institution, engineering courses are called as training. In training also we can see minimum extent of teaching. Training will be the more. Difference number 6. Difference between reason and belief. A reason is the explanation or justification of an action or event. It is the capacity for consciously making sense of things, applying logic, establishing and verifying facts, justifying practices on the basis of new or existing information. The person citing the reason carries the burden of proof and explanation. It is the act of finding out why something happened or exists. Keywords why, because, so, etc. for reason. For example, why there is water scarcity in Madurai. So this is the question why. Here we have to reason out with the keyword because. Belief. Belief is an acknowledgement true but may be beyond the capacity of the human beings to prove their truth. A belief is an assumed truth. In a free society, everybody is entitled to their own belief regarding phenomena. For example, I believe there is only one God. In this example, I quoted my belief and my faith. For others, it may be the assumption. So, belief is always the assumption, assumed truth. Assumed truth can be true or false. In this free society, everybody is having their own rights to have their own belief. Here I have given flashcards to find out the hidden epistemology for the given example. I know playing cards. My class teacher teach me lessons. Green V2043100786. I came to school late because I missed the bus. He is an artist. My PET teacher gave us the drill. On account of Teachers' Day, the school is holiday. Abdul Kalam. Just to find out the hidden epistemology for these given examples. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you all.